In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to add shipping costs on Shopify. Now, to be able to add shipping costs on your Shopify product whenever you sell a specific item, the process is very simple. Now, this process will not be found under products and it will be found under settings. So, if you open your settings and click on the shipping and delivery option over here, as you can see here on the left side under customer accounts and above taxes and duties, simply select shipping and delivery and you will be able to see the different shipping options over here. As you can see right now, the general shipping rate is enabled over here. But to be able to add a shipping rate that you will actually be able to use, you're going to have to click on create new profile over here. If you click on new profile, basically you're creating another option that would allow you to add a specific shipping bill or a specific shipping cost for a specific product. So for the name, you could use any name that you want. For example, just say product for now. Then you could simply click on add products over here, which will select the specific product that you would like to add that shipping rate to. For example, I would like to add it to all of my product for now. Click on done and scroll down. As you can see, there is something called shipping origins. You could change this. You could change from Alibaba or even the shop location if you want. And then you have something called shipping zones. So basically, shipping zones will allow you to create rates for places you want to ship to. So if you click on create zone, you will be able to see all of these options over here. Basically, almost all countries available. And you could leave a zone name over here. For example, let's say $10 increase for shipping. Then you could simply select the international territories, for example, which are territories that are farther away from us or farther away from the original country that your shop is originated to. So basically outside your nation. And you can simply click on done. And right now there are no rates. This is just the title of our shipping zone. So if you click on add rate, you will be able to set up our own rate or use carrier or app to calculate rates. But right now, there are no carrier or apps available for the zones that we have selected, so we will be the one who will do it. For the rate name, you can simply say standard, and then you can simply put in the price that you want to have here. So $10, it will be 500 for my currency. And then you could even add some conditional pricing based on the item weight or based on the order price. Then for the minimum weight, you can even add that as well. So let's remove the conditional pricing for now and click on done. And there we go. You will now have a shipping rate for the countries that you have selected in the shipping zone that you have chosen. Then you could also select here. You could add countries, regions to market to start selling and manage localized settings, including shipping zones. But anyway, after that, simply click on save and you will be able to save your shipping rate in Shopify. So whenever someone buys a product, depending on the zone that you have set up earlier, when they buy a product from their location, they will be able to receive that additional shipping cost for the product for that to be sent to you. And that's basically it. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.